Hey guys, welcome back to another little bonus clip here on Applied History here with Nate Sylvia from American Renaissance. So much of the trades, and especially with preservation, is about the preparation, but also the maintenance of your tools. You're going to want to buy the right tools to be able to do the job the right way, and that means you got to take care of what you have. So Nate's volunteered to give us a little like 101 on paintbrush maintenance, which is so essential to being able to use that quality paintbrush time and time again.
So you definitely want to spend a couple dollars and get a good brush. And when you do that, you want to be able to clean it. I mean, some of my brushes I've had for years. The important thing, you get the appropriate thinner. For latex, it's water. For oil, it's paint thinner. Different epoxies, epoxy thinner, things like that. So you have to find the right solvent. You want to use the solvent and really get the paint out of the brush.
So this was a brush that was just using, let's say,
latex.
Yep. So we just put a little bit, about an inch of water into a bucket here.
And I kind of just dab at it and kind of move it around. You'll want to take a metal brush and go with the bristles and you really want to get 100% of the paint off as much as you can. You can see how this is a pretty clean brush, but it has been used multiple times.
I mean, it looks almost brand new to me.
Right. It is almost brand new.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Almost. It's been used a few times. But you get that off and you just keep scraping at it with the bristle brush.
Yep.
And then you want to get all of that out. Some people spin them like this. They actually sell spinners that you can do like that. I usually just go back and forth. Making sure not to splatter. And then the last bit of it is a brush comb. And you just comb it like you would comb your hair. And you know, actually the last thing is putting it back in its case. The case will help protect it,
maintain the shape,
keep everything straight.
Yep.
So when you buy the brush, don't throw out the case.
Okay.
If you do lose the case, tinfoil works. You can just wrap tinfoil around it.
Yep.
Rubber band works just as good.
Yep.
But you want to keep that.
My dad used to use a rag.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the rags will sometimes start to close it in, and you know it could go like that. And you open it up, and your brand new brush looks like that.
You don't want that. It explains so much.
$30, 25, $30 for a quality brush. You want to get a year out of it at least.
There you go. So proper maintenance of your tools is key, kids. Thanks for tuning in to a bonus clip. This has been Nate Sylvia of American Renaissance. Thanks for being with us. Appreciate it, man.
Take care.
All right. See you next time.